Hello guys, in today's video I'm pretty much gonna show you how to get yourself ChatGPT for premium features. Okay, so if you're into SEO, you're into AI writing, or you need some AI assistance for your project, well, in this video I'm pretty much gonna show you how you can get access to ChatGPT for premium features. Okay, with the aid of this app, as you can see here, right here on my screen, you can see ChatSmith. Okay, when I click on it right here, you can see that, let's wait for it to load real quick right here, and in a bit you're pretty much gonna see that at the top right here it's already in ChatGPT 4. Right now you can pretty much talk with ChatSmith by asking it whatsoever you want to ask it, and in no time you get a response. Okay, all right guys, you can see the response right here. You can see that the app pretty much works pretty well, and you can ask it whatsoever issue you have and get solution. Okay, now let me show you the website I got this app. Okay, so that after watching this video you can pretty much go give it a shot and get yourself this particular mod application. Okay, so pretty much what you have to do is to go to this website shown on your screen. By going to your Chrome browser, you type out topmods.site and you click on enter right here, and in no time you should be able to access the website. And you pretty much have to scroll down, and boom, you can see that ChatGPT 4 AI assistant, and then you click on it real quick right here, and you can see the mod features. Okay, you can see that the pro and the paid features are unlocked, and the source attributes of the corresponding Java files are all removed, and the debug code removed, and so on and so forth. Okay, so for you to get this app installed on your phone, just like you're seeing right here on my screen, you pretty much have to click on this download APK right here, and in a bit all you have to do on the next tab is to pretty much scroll through and pretty much download two apps. Okay, as you can see, the content is locked, and you have to unlock this content by downloading two apps and open the apps for 30 seconds each, or you complete two offers from the list given to you depending on your country right there, and in no time you'll be able to unlock this content. Okay, and once you unlock this content, guys, you can pretty much download and install it on your mobile device and enjoy its features. Okay, I've been using this chatbot for a while now, and all I can say is this chatbot really works. Okay, so go give it a shot. Don't forget the website is topmods.site. Okay, topmods.site, and boom, you pretty much have to scroll down and you see ChatGPT 4. Okay, if you enjoyed this video so far, guys, I want you to click on the red subscribe button as I share different applications, gamings with premium features. And if you like that kind of content, do give me a subscribe, do like this video, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.